judge in Arapahoe County taking another look at a conviction involving one of Colorado's most infamous convicted killers.
Robert Ray is one of two people serving life in prison for the murder of Javad Marshall Fields and his fiancee Vivian Wolf back in 2005. For years, Ray and the other man convicted in the case, Sir Mario Owens, were on death row. Governor Polis commuted their death sentences in 2020 when Colorado did away with the death penalty. Ray and Owens remain in prison for the killings as well as other crimes. Now Ray is challenging his conviction for his part in the shooting that led to the killings of Javad Marshall Fields and Vivian Wolf.
Alan Janae is here to explain what this is all about. Alan.
Yeah, very complicated in a way here, but the killing of Javad Marshall Fields and Vivian Wolf certainly lives in infamy in Colorado. Marshall Fields was preparing to testify against Robert Ray for a shooting that happened nearly a year earlier when Gregory Vann was killed at a music festival in Aurora. He was Marshall Fields' friend. Ray was also accused of shooting Marshall Fields and another young man, but both of them survived. Now, over the past week, Ray has been in court in a court hearing in Arapahoe County, trying to challenge that conviction. Javad Marshall Fields' family worries about what that could mean.
He's forever 22 because he was murdered at 22. So when I think about his spirit and his promise, I was robbed of all of that.
He was so young, with so much going for him, remembers former state senator and current Arapahoe County Commissioner Rhonda Fields, always thinking about the son she lost 20 years ago this year. He was in this car left riddled with bullets with fiancée Vivian Wolf. Through the years, there were convictions, and the two convicted killers faced execution. Then that changed. It's been difficult.
And, you know, we're all like, when is this going to be over?
She has been at the Arapahoe County Courthouse this week as a judge listens to claims from Robert Ray's attorney that Ray had ineffective counsel when he was convicted for his role in the Lowry Park shooting of Gregory Vann, known as Wiz, as well as Marshall Fields and another man.
I'm somewhat nervous. I don't want to have to go through a mistrial, and I don't want them to vacate the judgment either.
Ray is making the claim that his attorney at the trial, now deceased, didn't represent him properly. Information on the current hearing is suppressed, so details are few. But if Ray's counsel wasn't doing the job, the judge could order different remedies, including retrial.
It's just hard to speculate because I have no idea what the judge is going to say.
Yet another unsettling time in the aftermath of some of Colorado's most frightening crimes.
It's almost like, you know, picking a scab, a sore. And we're already very scarred as a family because of this.
Now, Ray is already separately appealing his conviction for the killings of Javad Marshall Fields and Vivian Wolf to the Colorado Supreme Court. They heard arguments in January. The court has already rejected an appeal by Sir Mario Owens. Rhonda Fields worries that if Ray's conviction in the Lowry Park shooting is somehow set aside, it could lead to problems sustaining the theory behind why her son and Vivian Wolf were killed. But she won't know right away. The judge says to expect her decision sometime this summer.
Alan, thank you.